Now let's look at what happens along the journey, along the ACCA journey to membership. Earlier, I talked about the fact that for the ACCA qualification, we have 3 E's. We have the exams, we have ethics, and we have experience. You need to demonstrate all these 3 and have achieved all these 3 E's to become a member or to be admitted as a member. And that is the only time you can call yourself a chartered accountant. Now, along this journey, you can achieve these significant milestones. Call it certifications or qualifications. Now, the first one I want to look at is the ACCA diploma in accounting and business. Now, you gain the ACCA diploma in accounting and business when you pass the 3 papers at the applied knowledge level. And you need to also complete the foundations in professionalism ethics model. And depending on when you take your ethics model, you can get this qualification between 6 to 12 months. So after completing the 3 papers and also completing the foundations in professionalism ethics model, you'll be awarded ACCA diploma in accounting and business. Now let's look at the next qualification. The next one is advanced diploma in accounting and business. How can you achieve this? To achieve this certification, you need to have passed all the applied knowledge and applied skills exams, and you need to complete the ethics and professional skills model, what we call the EPSM. And also, depending on when you take your exams and the ethics model, you can complete and achieve this qualification or certification between 12 to 18 months. So you have diploma in accounting and business, you have advanced diploma in accounting and business. The next certification you can achieve is what we call the professional level certificate. The professional level certificate. How can you achieve this certificate? You need to have passed all the applied knowledge exam. You need to have passed all the applied skills exam. You need to have passed all the strategic professional level exams. So the 4 exams at the professional level, you need to have passed all of them. And then you need to have also completed the ethics and professional skills model, the EPSM. And also, again, depending on where you take your exams and also the ethics model, you can achieve these between 12 to 18 months. So you have 3 certifications to achieve. That is when you start from the applied knowledge level. So depending on your qualification at the time of registering, you can have exemptions. So if you have a first degree in accounting, which is a relevant qualification, you will be entitled to some exemptions. And these exemptions can be accessed via the ACCA exemptions page, or at the time of registering, you can apply for exemptions. So these are the certifications you can achieve along the way. Now, we've said that there are 3 E's. This is only for the exams. What about the remaining 2 E's? So we want to look at the practical experience requirement, what we call the PER. So the other E in the 3 E's. Now, for the ACCA, it's important that you are able to demonstrate that you have the relevant experience in order to achieve the certification of a qualified accountant or to be admitted as a member. So you need to demonstrate 36 months in accounting and finance role. So with 3 years of practical experience, you need to demonstrate that you have achieved this experience in a relevant role for 36 months. And we have experience requirements to achieve. And there is a dedicated page in your ACCA page, student page, where you can access these practical experience requirement, and you need to demonstrate. So what happens is that on your experience portal, there are a number of practical experience requirements you need to demonstrate or you need to achieve. And it ranges from leadership, governance, financial reporting or financial accounting, auditing, corporate governance, social and environmental reporting, financial management, etc., business and innovation, etc. So there are more than 20 experience requirements available, and all you need to do is to demonstrate that you have achieved 9 out of these 20 or more requirements, because the ACCA will from time to time update these requirements that cut across a range of experience that you are likely to demonstrate at the workplace. So, and for this experience, you need a workplace supervisor, what we call the workplace mentor. And this mentor should be a qualified accountant, be it with the ACCA or any other recognized accountancy professional body. Now let's talk about the ethics. For the ethics module, it is an online module which is designed to ensure that you achieve or acquire relevant skills that employers need. And the model introduces students to advance ethical knowledge or ethical awareness and professional skills so that you are work ready. And to complete this module, you need to pay, at the moment the rate is £69. So you need to pay £69 to access this. Now, at what point are you eligible to access this? You need to be at the applied skill level. So once you reach the applied skill level exam stage, this module will be open or will be available for you to access. And in this model, you will learn a lot of ethical skills, how you address ethical dilemmas at the workplace. You learn a lot about professional skills. You learn about leadership. You learn about digitization. You learn about shareholder relations. There are several. And the ideal advice we often give students is that before you take your strategic professional level exams, you should have completed the ethics and professional skills model, because the model built up exposes you to a range of ethical and professional skills, and all of these are needed to pass the strategic professional level exams. So know that the 3 E's to achieving membership: your exams or your 13 papers, your ethics and professional skills, and your practical experience requirement.